The first is mutation. Mutations are the source of different alleles which then mix and pair during meiosis. And the next is mutagen. Mutagens are factors that cause mutation. The first is chemistry, methane gas, colchicine, pesticide, and benzoprine. Number 2 is biology, bacteria, virus. Number 3, physics, X-ray, UV rays, neurons, and AB rays. The next is mutant. Mutant is an organism that has undergone mutation. And the third is mutagenesis. Mutagenesis is the process of mutation that changes the number, type, and location of nitrogen-based sequence and can occur in chromosomes, changing their location and number. Mutation principle. A mutation is a permanent change in genetic material. Mutation occur randomly not directed by the needs of the organism. Number 3. Mutation are the main source of new allele and genetic variation. Next is mutation can occur spontaneously or be triggered by mutagens. Mutation can be small, gain, or large, is chromosome. The effect of mutation can be natural, harmful, or beneficial. Mutation can occur in somatic cell, not inherited or germ cell. Not all parts of genome have the same chance of mutation. Most mutations do not result in noticeable phenotypic change.
Okay, next, condition for mutation. First, the exchange of change in genetic material, and the second, these changes may or may not be reversible, and third, the result of these changes are genetically passed on the subsequent offspring. Okay, next, the change of mutation occurrence. The mutation that occur in nature all naturally have a very low frequency. In humans, less than 1 in 10,000 individuals. This occurs because of the repair mechanism in every organism. Okay, next, the mutation really occur. The mutation really occur because not every genetic recombinant or cell division even directly and result in change to gains or chromosome. And then, in addition, cells have various DNA repair mechanisms that immediately correct most errors that arise, so that very few errors actually persist and are recorded as mutation.
Next is the type of mutation. Mutation based on the cells that undergo mutation. The first is somatic mutation and the second is gametogenic mutations. The mutations based on the amount of genetic material that undergoes mutation. First is gene mutation or point mutations, and the second is chromosome mutation. The mutation that based on the cells that undergo mutation uh, are separated in the two type. First is somatic mutation. That somatic mutation occur when mutation in somatic cells or body cells because this mutation occur in cells that form the body or vegetative organs or tissues. They are not passed on to offspring. The second is gametogenic mutation. Gametic mutation or gamete cells are cells that function or reproduction. In plants, these are pollen and egg cells, while in humans and animals, they are sperm and ovum cells. Because they occur in gamete cells, the result of this mutation will be passed on to offspring. And then the mutation based on the amount of genetic material that undergoes mutation. First is gene mutation on or point mutations. The gene mutation is a change in the nucleotide bases of DNA or RNA, either in the form of base substitution, base deletion, or nucleotide base addition. The second is chromosome mutations. Chromosomal mutations are changes at the chromosomal level, often referred to as chromosomal aberration, involving change in the number of chromosomes or the arrangement or sequence of genes within a chromosome. These mutations occur due to errors in meiosis primarily or mitosis and affect multiple genes simultaneously. And then the type of mutation, genes mutation or point mutations. They are separated, uh, the small scale mutation, they are separated in three types. The first is silent mutation, the second is missense mutation, and the third is nonsense mutation. And the second point is insertions and deletion that makes frame shift mutation. The first is silent mutation. It's mean the codon change but still produce the same amino acid due to genetic code redundancy, and it does not change the protein structure. The, sec- the second is missense mutation. It's mean the change one amino acid into another amino acid. The effect can be minimal if the chemical properties of the amino acids are similar, or fairly damaging if it occurs at a critical position, such as the active site of an enzyme. The third is nonsense mutation. It means the amino acid codon changes to a stop codon. Translation stops too early, resulting in a short and usually non-functional proteins. So there is the quiz rules of multiplication and addition in humans. So there are the allele for albinism is A minor, is recessive to a normal pigment, or A dominant, A capital. The two normal parents have an albino child. So the question is A. Determine the genotypes of both parents. B. What is the probability that the next child will also be albino? And the question point C. What is the probability that the next child will be normal but a carrier? Uh, it's used the rules of probability for albinism with the albino children. So the basic information is A capital means normal or dominant, and then the A minor is albino or recessive. So the first step is one, an albino child or AA minor is only possible if both parents contribute the A minor allele. The second is therefore both parents must be A capital, A minor, X A capital, A minor. 3. Create a cross that with gametes A dominant or A capital, comma A minor, X A capital, comma A minor, and then Punnett squares that makes the result is A dominant, A, and then A dominant, A minor, A dominant, A minor, and then A minor and A minor. The fourth step is probability of A minor is 1/4, and the next child probability of albinism is 1/4 or 25%, and probability of the normal carrier or A capital A minor is 2/4 or a half or 60%.